Tropical storm watch discontinued for Jamaica, according to the Met Service. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The tropical storm watch that has been in effect for Jamaica is discontinued with immediate effect, as conditions associated with a tropical storm are no longer expected in respect of Tropical Storm Ivan, the Met Service said in its latest bulletin issued a short while ago. Over the past several hours, the tropical storm has drifted a bit to the south, taking it further from the coastline and placing the island outside of the projected range of tropical storm force winds, the Met Service said in a statement. As of 2 p.m., the center of Tropical Storm Ivan was located latitude 14.2 degrees north, longitude 75.8 degrees west, or about 435 kilometers, or 270 miles south-southeast of Kingston, or 404 kilometers, or 151 miles south of Maron Point, Jamaica, followed by a north-northwestern motion turn on Monday. Maximum sustained winds remain at 75 km per hour or 40 miles per hour with higher gusts. However, significant strengthening is forecasted during the next few days. The Met Service said that Ivan is expected to become a hurricane late Saturday evening, while southwest of Jamaica and moving further towards the Cayman Islands. Jamaica is currently well outside of its range of a tropical storm force winds, which extend towards 95 km per hour or 60 miles from the center. On its forecast track, the center of tropical storm is forecast to remain south of Jamaica, continue moving towards westward away from the island through Saturday night and Sunday morning. Ivan will then pass over the Cayman Islands on Sunday night and early Monday morning before approaching western Cuba on Monday. While the tropical storm remains over the west central Caribbean, it will continue to produce a large area of showers and thunderstorms that could impact the weather over Jamaica through to Monday. Locally, heavy rainfall could produce flash floods mainly over low-lying and flood-prone areas of southern and eastern parishes, and residents are urged to remain on alert, the Met Service said in a statement. Small craft operators, including fisheries from the Keys and Banks, are to remain in safe harbor until winds and sea conditions have returned to normal, the Met Service advised. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.